To check the fuse, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and flathead screwdriver. Remove the left side and front panel from the bike. Inside the side panel, there will be a sticky tack holding the panel to the battery box. Salvage as much of it as you can because you'll need it to put the side panel back on. Remove the front panel from the bike. To check the fuse, pull down the wires. Unplug the red and green from the red and black wire. There will also be the same sticky tack holding the battery box in place, so you may need to use a screwdriver to help you pop the box out. Pull the fuse out. Check the horseshoe-shaped wire. If it is in two pieces, the fuse is blown and it will need to be replaced. Pop the new fuse in and reconnect the wires. The front panel has an edge that is cut out. That is the top of the panel. Reinstall the side and front panel. To replace the batteries, use a screwdriver to pop out the black box and slide it out to remove. Disconnect the wires from the controller. Before sliding the new battery box in, be sure any cords are not going to get pinched once the box has been pushed into place. The replacement batteries will come all inside the new black box. Slide the entire box in and reattach the red and green wires. Please note that it's normal to sometimes see an arch with the attachment of new batteries. The front panel has an edge that is cut out. That is the top of the panel. Reinstall the side and front panel. To replace the controller, disconnect all plugs. Unbolt the controller and remove. Replace with a new controller. Reconnect all wires. The red and black wire will connect to the other red and black wire for the charger port. The yellow and blue wire running to the black plug will connect to the red and black wire also running to the black plug. The red and yellow wire connects to nothing. This is normal. The yellow and brown wire will connect to the other yellow and brown wire for the power lock. The red and blue wire will connect to the other red and blue wire for the brake handle. The red, black, and white wire will connect for the throttle assembly. And the green and black wire will connect to the green wire. Using a screwdriver or needle nose pliers, push the wires back through the hole, one at a time towards you. Push the wires back up inside the front panel area of the bike. Pull out as much slack as you can and reattach the zip ties around the throttle and brake cables. The front panel has an edge that is cut out. That is the top of the panel. Reinstall the side and front panel. To replace the throttle assembly, remove the 4mm Allen head screw from the underside of the throttle assembly. Cut off the black grip. Your replacement throttle assembly will come with a new grip. Slide throttle assembly off the handlebar. Remove all zip ties that are holding the throttle cable and brake cable together. On the end of the throttle cable is a set of 3 plugs, red, black, and white. Detach them from the controller. Also disconnect the yellow and brown and green and black wires. Remove the entire throttle assembly off the bike and discard. Slide the replacement assembly on the handlebar. Run the new throttle cable next to the pre-existing brake cable and zip tie them back together to the frame. Reattach all wires back to their identically colored plugs on the controller. The front panel has an edge that is cut out. That is the top of the panel. Reinstall the side and front panel.